Just wanted to make a short video to show you some strip lighting that I purchased and used it for my truck cap because it's always dark in here. The lights that come with them are pretty minimal. Anyway, this strip lighting is pretty sharp. It was $39. Each strip is 20 inches and it came with 20 strips. The strips are self-adhesive on the back and you can daisy chain them, connect them together and make them as long or add as many as you want. And it comes with a package of little stubs which allow you to tie it into 12 volts. So this is 12 volt lighting. Nothing fancy about it, but boy, what an improvement. So I'll show you here what I did. So if you look in the back of the truck, when I flip this on, it's like daylight. And you can see I just ran, there's just two lengths there. And all I did was put them in place with the stick-on strip. And then I used a glue gun to a few spots on each side to hold it. And then I actually put a little bit of caulking so that it's just fiberglass so that it's attached to, which is pretty rough. So I don't expect that it would stay just with the self stick. But what an improvement. I have daylight-like conditions in the back of this cap for almost no power. I mean, they're LED. But these things, you could use these just about anywhere. Being 12 volt, you know, indoor, outdoor, as long as they're not directly exposed to water. You'll be able to use them just about anywhere. They are used commonly for under-counter lights, but for this price, basically you're talking $3 a strip, and put out a ton of light. They are just terrific gadgets to use almost anywhere, be it in camping, hunting, fishing, camping, anywhere where you have 12 volt power and want lighting, even in camps. But really good for this application. So anyway, I'll put the link down below. They are great little lighting units and very inexpensive. Anyway, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe.